How to remove table in MS Word, keeping the text within it. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, simply select the table by clicking on the button at the top left above your table. Then, at the top, click on Table Layout. Then, at the top right corner of your screen, click on Convert to Text. After you've clicked on it, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure your black dot is in tabs and then press on OK. After that, your table will be removed, but text won't be removed. As you can see, there is only text. This is how to remove table in MS Word, keeping the text within it. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.